I love the rain, and it's raining. Yes, bitches. Yes. Sometimes the best part of the rain is when it gets dark. Like, you hardly get chances where it turns into night when it rains. And it's thundering now. You hear that? Scandalous. The sky is just scandalous right now. I love it. Summer days like this are awesome. Yes. Although too bad, my kitty counterpart over there doesn't like it. He's scared. Woo! He's like, fuck you. I'm really trying to decide what I'm gonna do right now. Should I get on my laptop and game, or run out in the rain, or what? He's really trying to decide what to do with his life. He wants to go out and play, but he's stuck on the porch. Poor dad. My kitty's kitty. I love my kitty's kitty and the rain. I love the rain and my kitty's kitty. It's getting louder. Yes, the rain is getting louder. Music. Music. Yes. This is what happens when you're bored and it rains and you have no one like-minded to share evil or good thoughts with.